Today is Friday, May 6, 2022. It's 11:16 a.m. I'm calling Lapeer County, Michigan, Prosecutor John Miller's office.
You have reached Lapeer County. For animal control, press 1. If you have been subpoenaed to appear in court, press 2. For paternity division, press 3. For the prosecutor's office, press 4.
One moment, please. Prosecutor's office. This is Becky.
Hi, Becky. Is John Miller available?
I'll check. Who's calling?
It's
Regarding, what's the case number?
Case number.
Mm-hmm. Are you the defendant?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a moment, please.
Thank you.
We cannot talk to you. There is a bench warrant in Lapeer County
Out for my arrest?
for you for not appearing.
Ma'am, I sent 2 emails to John Miller explaining that I had...
Sir, I will not talk to you any further.
What am I
You
supposed
can address this directly in court with Judge Haloka.
When?
Goodbye.
When? How am I supposed to do this? There's no law in Lapeer County, Michigan.